Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed out of your YouTube account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta do, go ahead and get your app updated as well. Go to your Play Store and do it. Once you're done, go ahead, tap on your YouTube app, and once you do that, you will be able to see this kind of interface with your profile icon on top right corner of your mobile phone. Go ahead, tap on the profile icon, and remember the ID, right? Once you do, go ahead, tap on that ID right over here, and go ahead, tap on this manage account option given below. Once you do that, you will be able to find all kind of accounts that you have so far. What you're going to do, simply go ahead and long press on the account where you're connected with your YouTube. Go ahead, long press on the account, and once you will be able to find this kind of sync account, Google account, and remove account option. So if you go ahead, tap on this remove account option, you will be able to remove this account, and this doesn't mean you're going to delete your account. Simply you're going to remove your account from YouTube. Once you do that, next time if you're going to come in, you can go ahead and log in with your existing account. So yes guys, to get signed out of your YouTube account, to remove your account, once you do that, you will be able to get signed out of your YouTube. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.